Hello friends, through this video we will learn the concept of TDR, transfer of development rights, in systematic manner. If you like it, please do share it and subscribe the channel. 1. What is TDR? Transfer of development rights, TDR, means making available certain amount of additional built-up area in lieu of the area relinquished or surrendered by the owner of the land, so that he can use extra built-up area either himself or transfer it to another in need of the extra built-up area for an agreed sum of money. 2. Purpose of TDR. The process of land acquisition in urban areas for public purpose, especially for road widening, parks and playgrounds, schools etc., is complicated, costly and time-consuming. In order to minimize the time needed and to enable a process, which could be advantageously put into practice to acquire land for reservation purposes mentioned above. 3. Development Rights Certificate, DRC, whether transferable/inheritable. If the owner of any land which is required for road widening for formation of new roads or development of parks, playgrounds, civic amenities etc., those proposed in the plan shall be eligible for the award of transferable development rights. Such award will entitle the owner of the land in the form of a Development Rights Certificate, DRC, which he may use for himself or transfer to any other person. Now see some illustrations. 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 Utilization of DRC. 1. The DRC so permitted may be utilized either at the remaining portion of the area after surrender, which will be limited to a maximum of 0.6 times eligible floor area ratio as additional floor area ratio in lieu of transfer of DRC, irrespective of road width. 2. The receiving plot shall abut not less than 12 mtr. wide road. 3. The receiving plot can utilize a maximum of 0.6 times the eligible FAR for that plot. 4. The utilization of DRC in favor of NRI or foreign nationals will be subject to rules and regulations of the RBI. 5. The authority may charge a fee of ₹100 for grant/transfer/utilization/revalidation etc. of DRC. 6. The TDR will be allowed to be utilized in multiples of 10 square mtrs only, except the last remainder. 7. The instrument of utilization of DRC shall have to be executed by both the parties, transferor and transferee. 8. For each request to utilize the DRC, separate utilization form shall be submitted to the authority. 9. The utilization form requesting to utilize the DRC shall be valid for 6 months from the date of issue of utilization form. 10. The DRC shall be valid for a period of 5 years. However, the same will be revalidated for a further period of 5 years. The DRC shall lapse after expiry of 10 years. 11. The authority may reject/cancel the grant of DRC in the following circumstances. A. If any dues payable by the owners of the property to the state government/local authority, prior to the date of handing over physical possession of the properties to the authority. B. Where DRC is obtained by fraudulent means. C. Where there is a dispute on the title of the land, till settled by the competent court. Thank you. If you like it, please for watching the video, do share it and subscribe the channel.